during a time when you're pregnant and the baby's coming, it's still somewhat abstract
That's right.
to a guy.
It's not real.
We know it's happening.
Right.
We see the changes.
Right.
Y'all change, right?
Yeah.
and how we deal with y'all changes, right? So
Right.
we're getting used to that and all that. But, and we got the bag ready to go to the hospital and all that.
Right.
But it's not till that thing comes out and it's crying and you look at it that for men that, oh man, this is real. And typically with men, it's your first child, right?
That's right.
It's when you're like, oh my, like this is a real thing.
Right.
That's one level of it. Then when that baby comes home, right? Because the hospital, they give you 3 days, and you got 8, 9 nurses helping you. Like, oh, this is easy
Right.
until you get that baby home. And so, I just wish that. Oftentimes, I just wish that our ladies would understand that men play a vital role. We have to learn what that is. It is abstract to us, but it is just as important. It's just as important as the one that you give that's actually providing the life and providing the nurturance and the nutrients. It's still you need both. One is not more important than the other. You need both.